Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can check the saved videos on YouTube. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your YouTube app. So after opening the YouTube, what you have to do, you have to go to your profile. You have to click on this option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to your profile, what you have to do to see the saved videos, you have to click on this option, playlist. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to click on view all. Then you can see here is a bunch of options: watch later, liked videos. What you have to do, you have to click on watch later to see your saved videos. So this is all the saved videos from YouTube that you have saved on YouTube. So the other way is you have to go back and click on the liked videos. You have to click on liked. Now you can see the liked videos on YouTube that you have liked. So this is how you can see the saved videos on YouTube app. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.